Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for cement industry. So here I am dealing in cement for various businesses and I am promoting my products with the help of IndiaMART, that is an amazing B2B marketplace in India. Now here my objective is that as soon as we are going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry from IndiaMART for our business, I want to send them a personalized WhatsApp message, that too automatically, to connect with them instantly. Now, to automate this entire process, we will have to set up a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp. And that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that, let me take you all towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you step by step that how we can automatically send personalized messages to all our IndiaMART leads as soon as they are received. So I am seller of cement for various industries, businesses, households, etc. And I'm promoting my products and my business with the help of IndiaMART, that is B2B marketplace in India. So here my objective is to connect with my leads instantly as soon as they are received and the inquiry is received. So here therefore I want to automate the entire process of sending WhatsApp messages to each of my lead as soon as they are received. Okay. To automate this entire process, I will have to build the connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp, and that I'm going to do without any coding and any programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect helps us to set up the connections between our work applications in such a way to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without any coding and any programming skills. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, currently we are going to build the connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. AI Sensei is the application which I am using in order to send template messages in the personalized format to all my leads on WhatsApp. But if you're using any other application over here for sending the messages, you can use that as well. Alright, so let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now quickly. And then it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on the dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for cement industry. After giving the name to my workflow, then I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have list of folders over here. Among these folders, I'm going to select automations for IndiaMART leads, as this is the folder in which I want to save my workflow. As we have done that, now let's click on create. Now, as you can see, we have a new screen which contains two extremely important windows with a blank workflow basically. So we have to fill up this blank workflow to complete our automation. Here we have trigger and actions. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger, it's going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that as soon as a lead is received through IndiaMART for my cement business, I want to send a message to that lead directly with the help of AI Sensei on WhatsApp. Okay, so here for that, let's say I'm going to take IndiaMART in my trigger step and AI Sensei in action. When we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through IndiaMART, then only a message will be sent to that lead, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application as IndiaMART. By using which application you want to start the workflow. I want to use IndiaMART to start my workflow, as when the lead will be received in IndiaMART, then I want my workflow to get started. So I've selected my trigger application as IndiaMART. Then I have to select the trigger event, on the happening of which event you want to start the workflow. So I want when new leads will be received in IndiaMART, then the workflow should start. So here we have received a webhook URL and also we have received some instructions. Basically, we need to follow the given instructions step by step carefully to build the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. And over here you can see for that we have received the webhook URL and also some instructions. So we have to insert the webhook URL inside our IndiaMART account in order to build the connection successfully. And then the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new leads from IndiaMART towards Pabbly Connect. So let us simply copy the webhook URL and then do not worry, I am going to show you each and every step that how you have to set up the connection successfully. So for that, first of all, I am going to take you towards my IndiaMART account. After coming on IndiaMART, after login, from the left side, you will see the option of Lead Manager. After coming on Lead Manager, you will find 3 lines, that is the menu section. And under menu section, we have multiple options. So we have to select Import, Export Leads. And under that, we have 3 other options. So we have to select Push API. After coming on Push API integration, then we have to select the lead source of the lead. So you can select any of the given source, but I'm going to select other over here. And as we have done that, now it is asking us CRM platform name. Which platform you want to connect with IndiaMART. Currently, I want to connect Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART, so I have selected Pabbly Connect as my name. Then here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, and after doing this, we just have to click on Save Details. Now it is asking us for the reason in order to select why are you basically connecting IndiaMART with other application. What is the reason of this connection? So you can select any of the given reason. Let's say I'm going to select the user interface is easily to use and helps me manage lead effectively. Just a random reason. Okay. Now I'm going to go towards click on generate OTP, and as we have done that, here it is asking us for the OTP. So here you have to enter the OTP which is received on your registered mobile number. After entering the OTP, I'm going to click on submit, and as we have done that, the webhook is set up over here and it is activated. So now I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply adding a new lead, sending a new inquiry in IndiaMART. So for that, for sending a new inquiry as a lead, I have already created a dummy leads profile, and I'm going to open the leads profile in incognito mode. With that profile, I'm going to send a dummy inquiry for my cement business on my IndiaMART account, and as soon as the lead will be received over here in IndiaMART, the same lead response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. In this way, we are going to capture the response. Okay, so now quickly I'm going to open incognito mode, and I'm going to open the profile of that dummy lead, and I'm going to send the inquiry. So as you can see, I have opened incognito mode and also I've opened my profile. This is the profile of the lead which I have already created, and while creating the profile, I've also given certain details such as the name of the lead, the email address, their phone number, their company name, address, etc. So we do not have to enter the details again now. Automatically, when the inquiry will be submitted, the details of the lead will also be transferred towards IndiaMART and as well as towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here I'm just going to click on contact supplier. I've already searched the name of my business, and now here I'm going to enter some random details and the requirement, that means the inquiry. So here I'm going to enter the inquiry for the cement business. Let's say looking for PPC cement for an upcoming residential project, just a random inquiry. And when I'm going to click on next, here the inquiry is sent, and along with the inquiry, the details of the lead will also be sent. So here it is saying thank you, your details are sent to this particular business. I'm going to cross this. I will take you back towards my IndiaMART account, and we can see over here we have received a new lead with a name as ABC Company. This is the name of the company of the lead through which the inquiry is received. Looking for PPC cement for an upcoming residential project. Okay, you can see over here we have the exact query which I have submitted from the dummy leads profile. And now as we have received the lead over here in IndiaMART, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we can see that the same response is captured over here as well. In the response, we have received all the details. So let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the status of the lead, that is success. Then we have a unique query ID. We have a random, or we can say default subject. We have the state over here, that is the lead state. Then we have their name, email address, phone number. Then we have the company name, and all these details are already entered while creating the profile. So we have the exact details over here. Along with this, we have also received the exact query. Looking for the PPC cement for an upcoming residential project. Okay, this means our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time a new lead will be received for our cement business through IndiaMART, the response of that lead with all the details and the inquiry will also be captured inside Pabbly Connect, that too automatically. Once we have received the response, our objective is to send WhatsApp message to the lead. Okay, so for that, let's go towards our action step. Let us select our action application now. And my action application over here will be AI Sensi, because I'm going to use AI Sensi for sending the WhatsApp messages. So here, WhatsApp by AI Sensi will be my action application. Once again, if you want, you can also use any other application over here, such as WhatsApp Cloud API, Interact, Vati, etc. Okay. Now we are going to select the action event. What you want to perform, I want to send template message. So send template message will be our action event. Let's click on connect. You can see we have two options over here, add new connection and select existing connection. So if you already have an existing connection with AI Sensi, you can just go with that. I'm going to show you that how you have to create a new one. So for that, let's go towards add new connection and let us provide API key over here. To get the API key, the instructions are clearly given. We just have to go towards our AI Sensi account. From the left side here, we have the option of manage. After coming on manage section, then we have the option of API key. And this is the API key which is required. So let us simply click on copy and we will move back to paste it over here. Done. Let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between AI Sensi and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now we have to enter the details in these fields to send the message successfully to our lead on WhatsApp. For that, now here first of all it is asking us the campaign name. Now, to send the message, as I've told you, we have to create a template, okay, which is going to send the customized and the personalized messages to our leads. And then after completing the template, you also have to link the template with a live campaign. Then you have to enter the name of that live campaign over here in this field. Then only the message will be sent correctly. So do not worry, I'm going to show you every step. Let's go towards AI Sensi. Over here, we have the template message section. And you can see we have to go towards all. These are all the templates I have created for different purposes. For sending the message to my cement industry leads from IndiaMART, this is the recent template which I have created. And this is the preview of my message. Here I'm going to inform the leads about my business, about the kind of value I'm going to provide them, okay, etc. The name of my business is Solid Crete Supplies. Then here I have used, you can see name in brackets. That means this is the variable which I have used in my template. When we add the variables in the template, the details of that place automatically get replaced with every new response. And in this way, because I have used name as a variable, so every time a new lead will be received through IndiaMART, automatically a customized message will be sent to that same lead along with their own name, so that we can connect with the leads in the personalized format. I have just used a single variable in my template, but in the similar manner, you can use as many variables as you want according to your requirements. Once you will complete your template, it will be sent for approval, and as it will be approved, as you can see, my template is approved over here, then I can link the template directly to the campaign to use it. Okay. So when the template is approved, I'm going to take you towards the campaign section. So from the left side over here, we can see the option of campaigns. And now let's click on this launch campaign, so that we can launch a new campaign. So we have to select API campaign over here. And first of all, we have to enter the name of the campaign. So let's say the name of the campaign is Cement Industry Leads, just the same name as I have the template. Now we have to link the campaign with the template. So I'm going to search for my template name over here, that is Cement Industry Leads, and you can see we have the same preview of the message. So this is the template which is already linked with the campaign. Now we are going to set it live. As we have done that, let's go towards the campaign section, and here our campaign is live. Okay, so let us simply copy the name of the campaign as it is required in Pabbly Connect, and we will paste it over here. Okay, done. As we have done that, now it is asking us the mobile number of the person to whom you want to send this message, the receiver of the message. Okay, so here we have to enter the mobile number of the lead which we have received from IndiaMART. And as you know, we have received the number of that person already in our earlier response. So instead of entering the number over here manually, we will simply insert that from the previous response only. Let us map the number. And as we have done that, the number has become dynamic. So with every new response, it is automatically going to replace. So this means that every time a new lead will be received through IndiaMART, automatically the number over here in this field is going to replace with a new number of that new lead. And in this way, we are going to send the message automatically to all our leads in the personalized format without any manual steps. Okay. Now in the similar manner, we will use mapping for other details as well. So because mapping is very important, the next it is asking us a username. Who is the receiver of the message? The receiver is the lead. So I'm going to search for the name of the lead, and I will simply map that name. And then here we have to enter the template parameter. What is the value for the variables which you have used in your template? The variable which I have used is just for name. But if you are using more than one variables in your template, you have to enter the values for each of them, that too in the comma separated values. So first of all, because that value will be the name of the lead, I will simply map that. In case if you have more than one variables, after mapping the first value, you will use a comma, a space, and then you will map the second one. In the similar manner, you will map multiple. Okay, if you want to attach any product catalog or brochure or service brochure along with the message, you can enter the URL of that file over here in this field and the name of that file here in this field. Okay. I'm going to ignore these fields currently because I do not want to attach any file, and I'm going to directly click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, the response is captured and it is saying that true, and here we have the message ID as well. This means the message is sent successfully on WhatsApp on the number which we have mapped. So let us go and check whether the message is received to the lead or not. And yes, here we can see that the message is received. Welcome to Solid Crete Supplies. Hi Smartly, thank you for your inquiry on IndiaMART regarding cement supplies. We are Solid Crete Supplies, a trusted supplier of high quality cement for construction and industrial needs. So here we have the message. Along with this, we have best regards Solid Crete Supplies. Okay, and you can see that we have the name of the lead separately given over here. This means our connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp is absolutely successful. And now every time a new lead will be received through IndiaMART for my cement business, automatically a message will be sent along with the name of the lead to that same lead. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. You can also very easily create this automation to connect with your leads effortlessly and instantly as soon as they have submitted the inquiry. Further, you will be able to follow up with the leads by sending them more WhatsApp messages along with the product catalogs, brochures, etc. to convert them into payable customers. Thank you for watching the video. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.